Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with an awesome breakfast smoothie for you today. Now this is not just a regular breakfast smoothie, this is a breakfast detox smoothie, and this is for weight loss. So this smoothie right here is going to detox your body, fill it with lots of protein, potassium. It is a diuretic, so you will be using the bathroom, flushing out those toxins. If all of your vegetables and fruits are organic, that is even better, but if not, so be it. You can still do this smoothie, okay? And it will still have the same effects. Now, what we're going to be using today is one cucumber, a whole cucumber. You're also going to be using an apple. Any kind of apple is good. So today I'm going to be using my green apples. So you're going to need one. You're also going to need a whole banana. And lastly, you're going to need 6 stalks of celery, okay? Freshly washed celery. Now, in this recipe, you're going to be needing your juicer as well as a blender. All right, so let's start it up right now. Being that this is not a organic cucumber, of course, you know we got to take the skin off because it's waxy. So you're just going to peel off all of the cucumber skin, because we do not want that in our body. All right, so get a peeler and just strip the skin off. And I'm just going to take off the ends. And now we're ready to juice. Okay, so now we're ready for juicing. Alright, so of course you know today I'll be using my Jack LaLanne juicer, which is wonderful. We're going to juice out our cucumbers first. That's a lot of water. Exactly 1 cup of water, you guys. So now we're going to juice our cucumber stalks. Okay, you guys, so right now we're at 2 cups of fluid. Wow, okay, 6 stalks of celery and 1 cucumber. So now what you're going to do is you're going to slice your apples, because you're also going to juice your apples. All right, so I have my apple slicer, and now we're going to pop our apples in our juicer as well. Such wonderful juice. Look at that. Now we're at a little over 2 cups of fluid. Okay, so now we're going to go to our blender and we're going to proceed with the rest of the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 cups of your celery juice and apple juice, your apples and your cucumber, put it in your blender. All right, now you're going to take your banana and throw that in there as well. Pop that in there. And we're going to blend this out. Now if you want, you can chop your bananas up a little bit more finer than that, but it's really not necessary when you have a really good, powerful blender. Alright, so let's get this started. Alright, so you're going to get your favorite cup, and now we're going to enjoy this wonderful beverage. Wow. This looks delicious, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. I'm telling you guys, this looks delicious. Look how wonderfully, this is great. You make this in the morning, take this on the go. This is good. This is delicious. I know y'all gonna love this. You taste the banana, you taste the celery. And it's creamy. Oh my gosh. A wonderful way to start your morning, you guys. Wonderful way to start your morning, to get your body ready. Fill it with all your nice vitamins and minerals. Give yourself some energy in the morning. Oh, this is good. This is wonderful. This is a wonderful way for you to start your morning. Beautiful. Now let me say something. If you want to vamp this, you can tweak it. Throw in your chia seeds, throw in your flax seeds, you know, add more fiber to it just to make it even better. But this is delicious morning smoothie for weight loss. That's going to fill you up, give you energy, and make you go. All right? And I don't mean, well, you're going to have lots of potassium and fiber. So you're going to go. You're going to be peeing and probably pooping. But it's delicious. Oh. I think I found another favorite, okay? So tell me how you like this smoothie. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button down below. This way I'll know you want to see more wonderful remedies, solutions, meal replacements for your lifestyle, okay? For your weight loss lifestyle. This is good to maintain your weight. This is good to help you along with your weight loss. All right? Delicious. And if you want to know where you can get these silver straws from, and they're reusable, and they come with little brushes, all right? And I found this in Marshall's. So if you've got a Marshall's anywhere in your area, check out Marshall's. It's usually around the register area where it's always busy. Or you might be able to find these maybe in Target or Walmart. But these are metal straws, and they're reusable. And they come with a brush. You clean them out, you can reuse them. But this drink, you guys, oh my gosh, delicioso. And fill it. So like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that like button. Let me know that you want to see more of these type of videos, and let me know how you like it. You're gonna love it. All right, and until the next video, y'all, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.